Immerse yourself in next-level sound with the Samsung HW-Q930C soundbar, a 2023 premium offering building upon its predecessor, the HW-Q930B. While retaining many beloved features, the Q930C delivers a refined sonic experience. Boasting 17 strategically placed speakers, this 9.1.4 channel system delivers true-to-life surround sound. Dolby Atmos and DTS compatibility envelop you in immersive audio, utilizing overhead and rear channels to recreate the dynamic soundscape of your favorite movies and shows. For heart-pounding bass lines, the accompanying subwoofer adds depth and impact to action sequences. Additionally, the soundbar features space-fit sound room correction and a 7-band graphic EQ, empowering you to tailor the sound to your unique listening preferences. For added convenience, the Q930C integrates seamlessly with Samsung TVs via Q Symphony for a unified and powerful audio experience. Beyond Samsung compatibility, built-in Alexa unlocks hands-free control over the soundbar, allowing you to effortlessly adjust settings or play music with simple voice commands. The Samsung HW-Q930C soundbar shines with impressive sound quality, particularly for movie and gaming enthusiasts. Right out of the box, it boasts a balanced and neutral sound profile, featuring clear and detailed mid-range, making dialogues and vocals come through crisp and distinct. Bright and crisp treble, where instruments and sound effects maintain their sharpness. Powerful and deep bass, where explosions and action sequences pack a punch. The soundbar can also reach high volumes without significant distortion, filling the room with a wide and spacious soundstage. Furthermore, it offers various sound modes. Tailor the sound profile, choose a mode that best suits your content, whether it's a movie, music, or game. Personalize your experience with the built-in 7-band graphic EQ. Last but not least, for Samsung TV owners, the Q Symphony feature takes things up a notch. This unique technology unites the soundbar with compatible Samsung QLED TVs and utilizes the TV's built-in speakers for an even more immersive and powerful audio experience. Overall, the Samsung HW-Q930C delivers a compelling audio package, catering to those seeking a soundbar that excels in movie, gaming, and entertainment settings. The Q930C soundbar is an immersive audio experience designed to elevate movie and gaming nights. It meticulously reproduces the dialogue, sound effects, and music with clarity, accuracy, and dynamics, ensuring every detail is captured for a captivating experience. The heart-pounding action is further amplified by the dedicated subwoofer. It adds powerful bass, delivering the rumble and punch of explosions, gunshots, and car chases with impressive impact. This creates a visceral experience that transports you directly into the heart of the action. Beyond the powerful bass, the HW-Q930C boasts a layered soundscape thanks to the rear speakers. These speakers add depth and directionality to the surround sound, allowing you to pinpoint the location of sounds within the virtual space. This creates a more realistic and immersive experience, pulling you further into the world on screen. Adding another dimension to the soundstage are the up-firing speakers. These speakers create a convincing height effect, making you feel like objects are whizzing past your head or helicopters are flying overhead. This adds a whole new layer of immersion, making you feel truly surrounded by the sounds of your movies and games. The HW-Q930C doesn't stop at sheer impact, it also delivers uncompromising accuracy. It flawlessly handles Dolby Atmos and DTS audio formats, ensuring a full and rich soundscape that stays true to the original mix. This means you'll hear exactly what the creators intended, from the subtlest whispers to the most thunderous explosions. With its powerful bass, layered surround sound, convincing height effect, and accurate audio reproduction, it's the perfect choice for anyone seeking to elevate their movie and gaming nights to new heights of immersion. While the Samsung HW-Q930C excels at delivering a thrilling experience for movies and games, its performance for music might leave some listeners wanting more. On the positive side, the soundbar boasts decent stereo separation and imaging, faithfully reproducing various musical genres with balance and fidelity. This allows you to appreciate the nuances of different instruments within a song. However, the Q930C can fall short in delivering a truly captivating musical experience. The lack of warmth and richness in the mid-range can leave the sound feeling bland and bright, potentially making certain instruments sound thin or lacking in depth. Additionally, some listeners might find the treble a little harsh or sibilant, especially on specific tracks, resulting in an unpleasant listening experience. Furthermore, the soundbar lacks a dedicated music mode, and the available sound modes might not be ideally suited for all genres. While the graphic EQ offers some customization, adjusting it may not be sufficient to transform the sound into a more natural and musically pleasing experience. For those prioritizing a rich and captivating soundscape across all genres, exploring alternative soundbars that prioritize natural and well-balanced music delivery might be a wiser choice. While the Q930C shines in the world of movies and games, it's crucial to acknowledge that its performance for music may not be equally impressive for every listener. Some users might find the sound a tad bland and bright, particularly lacking warmth and richness in the mid-range. This could translate to a less engaging musical experience for those who prioritize a warm and nuanced sound for various genres. The soundbar's compatibility with Dolby Atmos and DTS audio formats adds another layer of immersion, faithfully recreating the intended soundscape designed by the creators. Beyond its impressive core performance, the soundbar offers additional features to personalize your listening experience. Room correction tool which tailors the sound to your specific room's acoustics, ensuring optimal performance regardless of the environment. And graphic EQ that empowers you to fine-tune the sound profile to your preferences, allowing for adjustments across various frequencies to match your individual listening style. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The HW-Q930C boasts a 4-piece configuration, comprising main bar, wireless subwoofer, and 2 rear speakers. The main bar is a sleek and elegant unit finished in dark gray plastic with a metal grille that houses 13 drivers and seamlessly complements Samsung's QLED TVs. A small LED display provides clear information on input source, volume, and sound mode. The wireless subwoofer delivers deep, impactful bass. This black plastic subwoofer features a ported design and a side-firing 8" driver. It connects wirelessly to the main bar for a clean setup, requiring only a power outlet. Finally, the wireless rear speakers. Mirroring the main bar's design, these speakers each house 2 drivers, one front-firing for surround channels and one up-firing for height channels. They too connect wirelessly to the main bar, minimizing cable clutter. The HW-Q930C exudes premium quality. Its solid and sturdy construction is complemented by a minimalist and elegant aesthetic, making it a seamless addition to any living space. The wireless connectivity of the subwoofer and rear speakers streamlines the setup process, ensuring a clutter-free entertainment environment. The HW-Q930C boasts a diverse connectivity suite catering to various devices and preferences. 2 HDMI inputs accept modern sources, while the HDMI output with ARC support allows seamless control from your TV remote and transmits high-quality audio formats. You can connect older devices without HDMI via the optical audio input, or play music directly from a USB drive using the USB port. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can stream music effortlessly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Beyond physical connections, the HW-Q930C empowers you with multiple control options, including remote, Samsung SmartThings app, and voice control. The soundbar supports 4K and HDR10+ pass-through via its HDMI ports, but not HDMI 2.1 features like 4K at 120Hz or VRR. The Samsung HW-Q930C soundbar is a premium audio solution designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. This 9.1.4 channel system boasts a powerful and immersive surround sound, perfect for transporting you to the heart of your favorite movies and games. It delivers a balanced and neutral sound profile, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. Clear and detailed mid-ranges ensure dialogue and vocals are crisp and distinct, while bright and crisp treble maintains the sharpness of instruments and sound effects. For an impactful experience, the soundbar boasts a powerful and deep bass, adding depth and punch to action sequences. Beyond its sonic clarity, the HW-Q930C creates a wide and spacious soundstage, enveloping you in a truly immersive soundscape. It also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS audio formats, faithfully recreating the intended soundscape designed by the creators. While excelling in the realm of movies and games, the HW-Q930C is also competent for music playback. However, it's important to note that some listeners might find the sound a tad bland and bright, lacking warmth and richness in the mid-range. Music enthusiasts seeking a warmer and more nuanced sound might be better suited with alternative soundbars. In conclusion, the Samsung HW-Q930C soundbar caters to a wide range of content with its powerful sound, immersive capabilities, and versatile performance. While it might not be the perfect choice for every music listener, it undoubtedly stands as a compelling option for those seeking a premium and versatile soundbar to elevate their home entertainment experience. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.